Hi, welcome back, hello folks and professionals. Another important tip. So, let's learn what is the way to propose alternative partners in sales order. What is the significance? Okay. So, as I said that the transaction code is VA01 and VA02 to perform this action. I think if it is known by many people, but it is a tip for beginners. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently, I'm holding 840 plus videos. We're moving ahead towards 900, but it will take some time. Currently, I'm holding 6,265 students, 1,000 plus successful reviews. This is my prime course. Currently holding 1,000 plus students, and this is the prices can be reduced in the meantime when you check for the time being. Okay, let's see. All these are the different courses at my end. I specifically recommend these two courses if you already done your functional, training and getting master grade functional specification for idoc training and a lot of stuff around 20 plus courses available at my end to check further for your grade learning. Okay, let's go to VA01. Okay, so if I press enter, I enter this customer. Okay, it is got extended to two sales areas. Now see this, all these are the different partners. Assume that, okay, we have done like this. Okay, test. So you have chosen, actually ship to party is not this. Okay, assume that I'm entering some materials like this, and like this. So assume that you are unconscious being an end user, or else you would like to do some testing, you accidentally entered. Assume that you entered some 50 to 200 materials. If you wanted to change, you cannot change your partner immediately, like either bill to party or payer. Okay, let's go to the header. Such a case, if you see this, if you go to the partners, now currently it is this one. If you'd like to choose alternative partner, either alternative payer or ship to party or bill to party, if you'd like to choose it. Okay, so you have to choose it manually, or else if you come here, so certain times it might not be copied because of certain routines or something like that, certain validations, exits. Such a case, so line 40, line 30, line 20, how much you can able to save? Like if you have a huge list of 100 to 200 materials in the sales item, here is the tip for you. Okay, simply go to the header. Okay, for example, if you would like to change ship to party, you select this. Look at this. This is the button. Propose alternatives. Okay, you can able to choose any one of the ship to party again. Okay, for the time being. So check root ship to party in the document header. Okay, tax is determined and your ship to party is determined. Now simply go to the line items. You check. Suppose here I have given 40 line items. If I have 100 line items like this, still you can able to simply change. You need not change one by one. So for specifically for that matter, again item level how it differs. Okay, assume that line 30 you want different ship to party, or else line 105 you want different ship to party. Such a cases, any specific line if you want it also, you can able to use such a functionality. For example, here I would like to change bill to party. Okay, select this, choose alternatives, and again I can able to select one of this one. So here the bill to party changed and ship to party changed. If you look at this other line items, only ship to party is changed as per our observation. Like you can able to play with the system however you want by using the functionality called propose alternatives. Of course, it's not a big tip, but if you don't, as long as you don't know this, you don't know this, as long as you know this, you have to share your knowledge to others. Okay, this is how specifically this is useful in support project, like certain ship to party, certain material need to be specifically, certain line need to be specifically delivered to another ship to address. Okay, probably they might have entered accidentally out of 100, 200, or 300 or 600 line items. Certain line item need to be separated. How do you do that? Such a case, this functionality is so perfectly useful to solve your support issues. Okay, maybe end user knows, end user don't knows, it doesn't matter. It is 100% your responsibility being a consultant. You should know these kind of tips. Okay, I think this video is something useful to you. You can give it a try. Probably I'll just try to make a change of the pair for your understanding header level. So we don't have, so we don't have any other thing. So to change here. Okay. So that's okay. Select it. Okay. I would like to change pair. So once I change it in header, again, this is for your reference. I'm showing one more time. Okay. So pair everywhere it is not changed your line items. So either you can play with the system at header level or item level also by using this functionality called propose alternative for your partners. I think this is something useful. If you really like this, if you really wanted to get more tips from my side, please like my videos and please subscribe my channel so that it will be beneficial for you. Thanks so much. And if you really want to have a real-time content at my end, please subscribe my Udemy courses, and a lot of content is available for SAP SD and general tips for other SAP consultants also in my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. Love your country wherever you are. Thank you. All the best.